So we are going to start with blues scale. I did one on, I think, F and C the other time. So let's do on F sharp. So what is the blues scale on F sharp? The blues scale on F sharp is, the major scale on F sharp first is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, and F sharp. So what is it called now? Blues scale. The blues scale is F sharp, A, B, C, C sharp, B, and E and F sharp. So F sharp, A, B, C, C sharp, E, and F sharp. Yeah. Okay. So the pattern I gave. Playing backwards now. Then you had this on your right. So this is repeating itself on your thumb. So here you're adding the 6. 6 is not part of the blues scale, so you're adding the 6. So here you have B and D sharp. So here you have A and what's it called now? C sharp. So these 3 notes are part of the blues scale, but this is not part. So but you're adding it. So look at my finger arrangement. You can also use the one that works for you, but this works for me. 4 1 4 3 2 and 3 4, but like so. 2 1 what's it called now? 3 1 3 4. Yeah. Oh. There. So this scale you can run it when you are playing a dominant chord, like F sharp dominant going to 4, like what you know as Tola. So you are playing something like Tola. So you can hear that it's working fine for this particular chord. So let's go. So let's play this now. Of course, you know from here you're going to 4. So you can run this. Then the second one is a pentatonic scale adding the sharp 9. Yeah. That's all flat 3 to it. So that's the pentatonic scale on F sharp is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and D sharp. So then continue. In fact, all the black keys are pentatonic scale on F sharp. All the black keys on the keyboard are pentatonic scale on F sharp. So just keep playing the black keys. You are playing the pentatonic scale on F sharp. Okay. So we're adding this. So what I do is I usually start like this. So like you pick the second note and the 5th note, yeah. Then you slot the second note to the 3rd. Still holding the 5th. So and you can also start this way. So anyone. You can also do it just one octave. So when you get okay, so my finger arrangements, yeah, then 2 1 3 2 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 1 3 2 1 1 3 2 1. So that's how you play. Okay. All right. So that's that on F sharp. Manage this. Have a nice time.